Installing programs, lists, and apps on a TI-83 and TI-83 Plus calculator. Please note that in addition to TI-83 calculators, this procedure can also be used on the TI-84 Plus calculator and TI-84 Plus C calculator. This procedure cannot be used on the TI-84 Plus CE calculator, which requires TI Connect CE software. We begin by downloading and installing the TI Connect version 4 software, which is used to send files from your computer to your TI-83 calculator. Please be sure to download the TI Connect version 4 software and not the TI Connect CE software. The TI Connect CE software is not compatible with TI-83 calculators. To download the TI Connect software, visit our webpage triolistats.com/TI Connect. Simply click on the TI-83 Plus calculator model to be taken to the correct TI Connect software download page on the Texas Instruments website. Under Download Item, you will find links to download TI Connect software for Windows and also for Macintosh. Below that are links to download TI Connect guidebooks in multiple languages. In this example, we will download TI Connect software for Windows. Click that link and the TI Connect software will be downloaded to your computer. The download procedure for Macintosh is the same as for Windows. Note that the Macintosh version and Macintosh guidebooks are only available in English. Once the TI Connect file has been successfully downloaded, locate the file and launch it to begin the installation process. Shown here is the installation process for Windows. When the installation process has successfully completed, you can launch TI Connect by clicking on the TI Connect application icon. We will now use the TI Connect software to install programs, lists, and apps onto the TI-83 or 84 Plus calculator. Begin by connecting your calculator to your computer using the USB cable provided with your calculator. Next, launch the TI Connect software. In the TI Connect menu window, select Send to TI Device. Click the Select Device button at the top of the dialog box. If your TI calculator has successfully connected to your computer, you will see your calculator listed. Click on your device and then click Select. Next, click the Browse button at the top of the dialog box and then navigate to and then select the desired program, list, or application file you wish to copy to your calculator. In this example, we will copy the Michael Lloyd program files INVT, INVX2, S2INT, and S2Test. Note that valid program files end with the extension .8xp. Once you have selected the desired programs, click the Open button. In the Send to TI Device window, confirm the correct programs have been selected. It is also recommended that you select RAM as the location for the programs. Click Send to Device, and the programs will be copied to your TI calculator. You can now access these programs on your TI calculator by pressing the Program key labeled PRGM. Lists and apps are copied to your calculator using the same procedure. Here we show the steps to copy the dataset foot and height to the TI calculator. Note that list files have the extension .8xl. Once these lists have been copied, they can be accessed on your calculator by pressing the second key, then Stat key. Apps can be accessed by pressing the Apps key. TI-83-84 programs, lists, and apps for your Triola Statistics Series textbooks can be downloaded from www.triolastats.com.